Good morning, children. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja online class. Today, I am going to teach you Jodie's daddy drives a bus, the continuation part. Before going to start the lesson, once we recall what we have learnt in previous class. In previous class, you came to know that Jodie's father, Mr. Harris, was a bus driver. Jodie's classmates thought that his job was disrespectful or low status job, so they laughed at her. Hence, Jodie's teacher, Mr. Swales, became very angry as he did not agree with the students' reaction of laughing at Jodie's father's job. So, he asked the girls to apologize to Jodie. After the school, Jodie's daddy came to pick her from school. He saw her tear-stained face and he knew something went wrong in school. So he asked her what was wrong. But she hesitated because she did not want to hurt him. Let us see what happened next. It's not a secret. The other kids laughed at me because you are a bus driver. They said your job was lowly. Jodie studied her father. He didn't seem angry, hurt, or sad. His big white teeth gleamed under his walrus mustache. It seems those kids don't know how much fun it is to be a bus driver. Really, Jodie's eyes were huge with curiosity. Tell you what, Jodie, if you come to work with me tomorrow, you will see what your bus driver daddy does. Jodie woke up early and got ready. The bus depot wasn't far away. Many drivers, collectors, and ticket checkers were reporting off duty at the crack of dawn. When Jodie's father, Mr. Harris, asked her, she could tell him everything what she knew. But she didn't have to tell him her secrets. Okay, no need to tell. But Jodie told it's not a secret. The other kids, her classmates, laughed at her because he was a bus driver. And they said his job was lowly. Lowly means low in status or importance. Now Jodie studied her father. She observed her father. What she thought? He became angry or he felt sad or hurt. But he did not feel sad, angry, or hurt. But his big white teeth gleamed. Gleamed means shone. Shone is the past tense form of shine. Under his walrus mustache. Here walrus mustache means a long thick mustache that hangs down on each side of the mouth. See, you can see here no walrus mustache. But he smiled and he said, those children, those who laughed at her, they did not know the driving the bus is a funny job. So, Jodie exclaimed, "Really?" And her eyes were huge with curiosity. Here, curiosity is the noun form of curious. Curiosity means strong desire to know something. Now, she wanted to know how her daddy drives the bus. Now, Jodie's father, Mr. Harris, offered Jodie if she come to work with him the next day, she would see how her father, our bus driver, daddy, do his work or does his work. So, next day, Jodie woke up early in the morning. Woke up. Woke is the past tense form of wake. Wake, woke, past participle form, woken. And she got ready to go with her father. The bus depot wasn't far away. Depot. Here, depot means a place where buses are housed and maintained and from which they are dispatched for service. Far, opposite, near. And many drivers, collectors, and ticket checkers were reporting for duty at the crack of dawn. Here, crack of dawn is a phrase, means early in the morning. Let us go next paragraph. Jodie's daddy signed the duty register and checked the tires and fuel in his bus. He was wearing the duty uniform. Simon, his friend, patted his back and said, "Always on time, Harris." Jodie noticed that her father was well known and everybody liked and respected him. She sat on the first seat of the bus. Father started his journey from Harrington to Westminster. He maneuvered the bus skillfully, never going above speed limit, gently easing over speed breakers and turning on the indicators when he had to take a turn. At the first stop, an old lady got in. She hauled a loud greeting, "Good morning, Mr. Harris. I will reach the hospital on time thanks to you." Jodie soon learned that most people who got on the bus were regular passengers. Next, Jodie's daddy, Mr. Harris, signed the duty register. Everyone, those who goes to duty in workspace, they have to sign. For example, we people also, when we enter the school, we have to sign in our staff register, and your ma'am also, when you enter the classroom, she will call your attendance whether you have present or not. Isn't it, children? See, that is our duty. See, here also, Jodie's daddy signed the duty register and he checked the tires and fuel in his bus. He was wearing the duty uniform. See, for you people also, while coming to school, you wear uniform, isn't it? Doctor wears white uniform, lawyer wears black uniform, isn't it? That is dress code. Here also, Jodie's daddy wearing the duty uniform. Yes, Simon, Mr. Harris' friend, patted his back. Here, patted means Pat means here touch gently with the flat of the hand. Always on time, Harris. I mean, Harris always maintained punctuality. That's why his friend appreciated him. Then Jodie noticed that her father was well known. Well known means famous or familiar. Jodie observed her father was very familiar to everyone. Everybody liked and respected him. And she sat on the first seat. You can see on the screen, no? Jodie sat on the first seat. And father started his journey from Harrington to Westminster. See, you can see here, no? Harrington. Next, while reaching Westminster, he so many stops are there. St. Mary's Church, Bishop's Park Road, Fulham Cross, Fulham End Road, West Brompton, Ferris Court Square. Last, his destination was Westminster. From Harrington to Westminster. He maneuvered the bus skillfully. Maneuvered means moved or turned very skillfully, never going above speed limit. Jodie's daddy did not cross the speed limit and he gently easing over speed breakers and turning on the indicators when he had to take a turn. Yes, you can see on the screen, children, here indicators on to take a turn. Then at the first stop an old lady got in and she greeted him, "Good morning, Mr. Harris." And she thanked him because she would reach the hospital on time because of Mr. Harris. So, Jodie soon learned that most people who got on the bus were regular passengers. I mean, here every day they used to board the bus. Let us see. Here, Millie was a college student. Diana was a nurse. Sandy was a fireman. They greeted her daddy when they got in or got out. They were reaching their destination safely and punctually because of her daddy. The bus conductor, Mr. Bill, looked at Jodie and said, "A bus driver has to be alert and quick to react, for he is responsible for the lives of passengers and pedestrians alike. Public transport makes cities better. It reduces pollution and makes traveling easier for people who cannot afford their own cars. I will say that it is a great job." By the time Jodie got down the bus, she was seeing her daddy in an all new light. He was her hero. No matter what anyone said or felt, she knew that her father's job was as important and respect worthy as any other job in the world. Now, whenever someone asks Jodie what her daddy does for a living, she says he is a bus driver. And if she says, "My daddy helps the world reach their workplace and takes them back home to their loved ones too." What job in that world can be better than that? Jodie noticed that the people are regular passengers. Here, Millie was a college student and Diana was a nurse and Sandy was a fireman. And they greeted her daddy when they got in or got out. They were reaching their destination safely and punctually because of her daddy. Her destinations means the place to which someone is going or journey's end. So, these people greeted him or thanked him. Because of him, they would reach their destination safely and punctually. I mean, exact time. So, the bus conductor, Mr. Bill, looked at Jodie and said, a bus driver has to be alert. Bus conductor, Mr. Bill. And he told, bus driver has to be alert and quick to react. He has to see everywhere. See, right side, left side, while turning the bus also, isn't it? He is very careful as he is the responsible for the lives of passengers and pedestrians. Here, pedestrians means here a passenger walking rather than traveling in a vehicle or person on foot. See, you can see here, no? So, he told public transport makes cities better and it reduces pollution and makes traveling easier for people who cannot afford their own cars. Here, offered means to have. Those who have not own cars, yes, they can board the public transport, isn't it, children? So, that's why he would say driving is a great job. So, Jodie learns about her father's skills and the respect he gets. Everybody respected him. And then, now, Jodie got down the bus. Now he was seeing her daddy. Now she was proud, very proud of him. Now he was her hero. Now she did not bother about it if anyone said or felt or asked about her father, and she knew that her father's job was as important and respect worthy as any other job in the world. See, children, this is positive degree. Job was as important and respect worthy as any other job in the world. So, now if anyone asks Jodie what her daddy does for a living, I mean, what was his father, her father, if anyone asks what was her father, without any hesitation, proudly, she used to say, he is a bus driver. If anyone teased her, she said her daddy would help the world reach their workplace and takes them back home to their loved ones too. If any other job is there, can better than that? So now Jodie, now she was very proud of her father and she learnt more about a driver's job. Now, tell me, children, who was Millie? Yes, you are right. Millie was a college student. Who was Diana? Diana was a nurse. And who was a fireman? Sandy was a fireman. And what was the name of the conductor? The name of the conductor was Mr. Bill. So, already I told you children, no work is small and no work define the stature of any person. I hope you have understood. Now, home assignment. What does the phrase at the crack of dawn mean? What does the phrase at the crack of dawn mean? At the crack of dawn means very early in the morning. What checks did Jodie's daddy perform before starting his journey? What checks did Jodie's daddy perform before starting his journey? Before starting his journey, Jodie's daddy checked the tires and fuel in his bus. Before starting his journey, Jodie's daddy checked the tires and fuel in his bus. Okay, watch the video till end and do the given home assignment. Thank you, children.